We start with 1 hour chart. Okay, as you can see, the way is moving is really corrective. And if we want to look for trade, even for buy, the best things if we get one more drop. Even if you refer to my last video, I mentioned if the price dropped and break this low can give us a better trade. Now we start with daily chart. We see what's how we're looking at this. Okay, as you can see, the price drop, and now we want to see whether this is the start of the up move or for reversal or bigger correction. Okay, by the way, we have nothing based on daily chart to talk. We move to forward chart. As we can see based on forward chart, now the thing is, if this one continues similar to what we have here, the bit mostly we can expect one more drop. But even as we can see, if what we cannot get really trade set up within this. Okay, unless this one we consider the first move, we are within the correction. If we get any sharp move down, it doesn't matter sharp move or not. If we get one move down, any reversal from there, it can give us a good trade setup. As long as the price move as a corrective, similar to what we have here, we cannot get a really good trade setup. Okay, unless the price can break the top, give a correction above the top, then maybe we can consider as a, that from there we look for buy. Okay, by the way, mostly, I think if we get one more drop can give us a better trade setup. If we move to lower time frame, we see how we can trade it. Based on lower time frame, there is no much changes as well. 1 hour chart, the way it's moving, it cannot give us a good trade setup. And the thing is, first of first of all, we expect that. If we get one more drop, then this is where I'm going to look for buy. And if the price continue from here, the only times if we get a sharp move correction with the breakout of this top, now is the top here, then we see whether we can get a trade or not. But within this move, I don't think so. Having entry above this, not good idea. If you refer to my last analysis, one of the option we were talking was to have entry above this, but I mentioned having entry above this is not that good because the price haven't broke this low when the price was here. That's why I mentioned the price easily can take and reverse. Exactly what happened with tag and reverse. Okay, but I just leave it for the traders. I mentioned if you see the price is not moving, it tag is not moving within 2 hours, you should take out the trade. Almost we had 2 hours times, and even if you move to 15 minutes, all right, it will be more clear. Almost 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 4 to 5. 1 hour we had the time to take out the trade, and if anyone didn't take out the trade after they see this one, they had the chance to take out the trade as well. Okay, that's why I mentioned since the price haven't broke this low, having entry above this is really risky. That's why even for now, I'm mentioning that if we want to trade, having entry above this is not a good idea. The best things we see the breakout correction for look for buy or let the price drop and break this low, or at least we get one more drop. Then we see how we can look for trade. Okay. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. The way it's moving is really corrective. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or changes, then I will share. Thanks.